Hi, Derek. I totally get what you're saying. So when students log into their course home, they see the course announcements as the first thing. And then when they go into the content section, they see all of the content posted. And yes, that can be a little bit difficult for students and could be overwhelming for them to see. And there isn't a way to schedule it, which I agree with you. The closest thing that I can do to kind of show you that can help to alleviate all of that stress of seeing all those posts on Monday morning is what you could do is you could schedule content posts. So what I like to do is, for example, I'll go into my course and I'll say causes of World War One, and I'll go to post a course homepage, and I'll write a note to my students that says, today this is what we're doing, for example. So then I can post it. So I post it, and when I do so, go to my course homepage. And here we have that post that I made. Now, what I could do is I can actually schedule that post. So instead of having students see the announcement right away, I can schedule that post. So if I go in and I go into another one and I go over here and I go to post to course homepage, I'll go, hello, we're working on this. And I can instead go to post later and then schedule a post, and the post will show up once I've scheduled it for. Yes, content will still be available to them and they'll be able to see that regardless, but the posting on the home page is what is a little bit more scaffolded for students. If you're working on Google Classroom, I know that what we could do is on your stream, what happens is that most content that we post on our stream comes in right from here. So they see all of the different posts right away, all of the different content that's in, and that could be a little overwhelming to students. So I've given you the option of scheduling those posts. If you wanted to schedule an assignment that you're posting for them, a quiz assignment, a question material, all of these options that are available on Google Classroom, what you could do is you could also schedule those as well. So you can go into assignment, and once you create the assignment, hello and thank you, I'm just making something up. You right click over here and then it says to schedule, and then you can schedule the release of that as well. So those are some timing options. Hopefully they help you out and it kind of answers your question. And if you need anything else from me, please let me know. Thanks.